So what copy ability actually appears in most Kirby games? It's a more interesting question than you think. I feel most would assume without looking it up that it's Sword Kirby. It's got the iconic Link hat, and it's the first ever copy ability shown to the player in the first Kirby game with copy abilities. However, it turns out Sword is actually the third most frequently used ability, as most of the Dreamland series of Kirby games, that being Dreamland 2 and 3 as well as Crystal Shards, actually don't use the blade at all. They're more cutter guys, what can I say? But for the longest time, the most used ability was actually Parasol until recently. And I feel like this makes sense to me, because who else in the rap game fighting off enemies Mary Poppins style? This is a Kirby signature. Now, some sources count Kirby's Dream Collection challenge stages as a game, which I think's kind of weird, but like I get it. But if you weren't going to count those, then the most used copy ability actually goes to Cutter. Only recently beating out Parasol because the umbrella didn't appear in Forgotten Land. But no matter which way you count it, I think both Cutter and Parasol both deserve to be #1 because they're just so distinctly Kirby. Like what even is Cutter? That's how I'm ending this short.